Oh, tower Saratoga 9, Whiskey Lima, setting up for a right base.
So we'll hold that slip in, and then at the bottom you just take it out. Well, you level the wings, bring the, bring it back in line using the rudders, back in line with the runway, and then you just execute the touchdown just like you normally would.
Okay. This will start now.
Looking for the Cessna, clear to land 35 left, Saratoga 90, Whiskey Lima.
Cessna 74 November, turn right heading 350.
All right, let's go ahead and enter the slip.
Is right 350.
Let's get that full right rudder in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see that? See, yeah, we're getting back where we want it. So just hold this in. And the limit how much you can slip is rudder authority. You're always going to have plenty of aileron. You're going to run out of rudder before you run out of aileron,
Yeah.
Skywest 5207, contact departure.
Yeah, so this is looking nice. So we'll just hold this in.
Bye-bye.
Airspeed's looking good. You're at 75 miles an hour.
10, proceed on runway 35, right?
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, we got full rudder in. That's about all the slip we can get.
Taking flaps might help a little bit.
In some airplanes, you're not supposed to slip and flap at the same time. This one it is okay, but it's just something to be aware of.
Oh, okay.
It's just something to be aware of.
Traffic, a regional jet just departed 35 right. Going to be passing off your right side here shortly at the 8,000 aircraft.
74 November, we're looking.
All right, airspeed is looking.
Lima traffic, you're calling just on a 1 mile final for the option.
Don't take the slip out quite yet. Let's go a little longer.
All right, we're looking for traffic, 35 left, 90 Whiskey Lima.
All right, there you go. Take it out. And now we're just shooting an approach. All right, hold it. Beautiful. All right, get the flaps out. Let's do a takeoff.
Airport 10, do we have any inbound or outbound traffic short?
Heels on the floor.
Yeah, heels on the floor.
Shuttle's coming in.
Copy that, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and inspect my runway while they're doing the barricades, and I'll report when off.
7874 November is tally.
50 to 60. We're going to start a rotate.
74 November, turn right heading 060, caution right turbo.
74 November, right turn 060.
Tower 831 Tango Sierra on the go, 35 left.
Number 1 Tango Sierra, Roger, on the go, or at the departure and make left close traffic.
Left close, 831 Tango Sierra.
Cessna 74 November, contact departure.
The forward slip landing's pretty fun, isn't it?
Yeah, that was cool. I like that.
And that is one of the maneuvers on your check, right? You have to demonstrate forward slip to landing. It can be switched out with a crosswind landing if it's possible for that day because it's the same thing,
Yeah, I like that one. All right, clear up and left.